I am Dr. Ramkrishna Ghosh, an Associate Professor of the Department of Information Technology of Haldia Institute of Technology. Today, our discussion is machine learning bias variance. What is bias? Bias is an unfair or unjust outcome. Bias is the error which is caused by overly simplistic assumptions in the learning algorithm. High bias causes underfitting. A good machine learning algorithm should have low bias and low variance. Bias example, using a straight line to feed data that follows a complex curve. Real life example of bias, a student answers all questions, option B, in a multiple choice exam instead of reading the questions. The student follows a overly simple rule and makes many systematic wrong assumptions. And there is a high bias machine learning model. You want to predict house prices. You assume a model that makes house prices depends on house sizes, ignores area, location, amenities. It fails to capture the true pattern and it makes many wrong assumptions. Characteristics of bias, low training accuracy, low test accuracy, predictions are consistently wrong in a similar way. Variance, variance is the error caused by excessive sensitivity to the training data. For example, a deep decision tree that memorizes training examples. Real life example, a student memorizes all the questions from previous years and he answers all the familiar questions well, but struggles with new ones. There is a high variance machine learning model. Characteristics of variance, very high training accuracy, poor test accuracy, predictions change significantly with different datasets. Bias actually measures how far a model's prediction are from true values on average because of incorrect assumptions. Variance measures how much a model's predictions change trend with different datasets. Error decomposition, the prediction error can be viewed as total error equal to bias square plus variance plus irreducible error. Bias square means error from wrong assumptions. Variance means error from sensitivity to training data. Irreducible error means noise inherent in the data. How to reduce bias? Use a more complex model. Actually, in bias, the model is too simple. High variance causes overfitting, we know. So, to reduce bias, use a more complex model. We need to add useful features. Reduce regularization. Regularization is a technique to reduce high bias, to reduce overfitting. We need to train longer for some models. Example, use a neural network instead of linear regression. Linear regression is a very simple model. Neural network is a complex model. How to reduce variance? Collect more training data. Use regularization L1 or L2. Prune decision trees. Reduce model complexity. For high variance, the model is too complex. It causes overfitting. So here we need to reduce model complexity. Use ensemble learning techniques. Use ensemble learning techniques such as random forest bagging. Difference between bias and variance. Bias actually is the error due to overly simple assumptions. Variance is also an error due to excessive sensitivity to training data. High bias causes underfitting. High variance causes overfitting. For bias, high training and test error. For variance, low training error and high test error. Bias indicates simple model, variance indicates complex model. What is bias variance trade-off? The goal of machine learning is to make a good balance between bias and variance. Bias variance trade-off is a fundamental concept in machine learning that explains the balance between underfitting and overfitting. Thank you. Today I am ending here. This will help you a lot. If you like my content, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. You will be notified if you keep press on bell icon. I truly need your love and support. I eagerly anticipate your positive response shortly. Today I am ending here. I will come back soon with update videos. Thank you so much for watching this full video. Please stay tuned.